Oh, wait, I know what you're talking about.
Cooking up some stew. Still like the fact that
Oh crap!
have
Oh crap!
got-
Get out of Discord. Get out of Discord. Oh, that's better. Ow!
Sorry.
Ow! Why did you do
I
that?
mean, wait, hold on. Think of it. Vengeance for all the other times that you stabbed me.
That was one time. I slapped you with a rotten hand. Hello. Bunga bunga.
Yeah.
Carve, carve. Yummy meat.
Alright, so whenever it becomes day, I know exactly where a cave is. So
Yo, let's actually go
yeah.
ahead and sleep.
Here's the thing, the cave is near us.
Dude, go ahead and sleep early. Hold on, first, I'm gonna drink some water. Is this ready? No. Is this one ready?
No.
Yeah. Ready.
I have 5 MRE.
Wait.
Canned food. Don't have anything to.
Oh crap, I'm taking damage.
What?
Oh no. Does the energy drink give me hydration?
Yeah?
Okay, yeah, it does. Oh, you can get cat food. Does that mean you can get a cat? Blackberries.
Nope. You just eat the cat food.
Some berries. Yum yum yum. Is it ready?
Ready? Well, it's that time.
Yeah, let's go ahead and sleep. And drink some of that stew that I made.
I made some
Yeah.
of my own.
Okay. Night time. Alright. No raid.
No, no! Shoot! Biscuit.
Here, take a couple spears. We might need some of the spears. I'm gonna take 2 more since I already have 1. And you might want to take 3 as well. Because there are some dangerous guys in the cave. Where's my gun? We need to find more ammo for our guns.
Yeah. Though, I believe it's 9 mil. Wait. I know where ammo is.
Oh.
Come on.
How do I get my stamina up again?
Food and water.
Okay. I need an energy bar. Just ate an energy bar.
Alright, come on.
Okay.
We got shit to do.
Yeah.
First, let's get some ammo. This guy over here with the pots and such, he has ammo.
Yeah, we only have 1 clip, so use it wisely. Or, we might have multiple. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I mean, we could go back out into the water, but then we'd risk, you know, whatchamacallit.
Forgot that there was a radio here. I'll take another pot.
Here, there's 9 more here. they can be used for time bombs and C4.
My little mess.
Yeah, can you tell me where the cave is?
Oh yeah. Come on, just follow me. I know exactly where it is from here. Do you know one of the other possible crash sites, you know, on the other side of this, pretty much?
Oh yeah, I see the icon on the map.
Yeah, that's where it is.
So up here?
Swim around this. Just swim around. That's fine.
It says that there's one inner that way.
Well, we will explore that eventually. Follow me.
Okay. I'm just gonna keep my GPS out because, you know, it's not gonna hurt anything. I'm afraid of the shark attacking us.
I can't at the moment.
Hey, right, we're not in swimming water. Oh, my stamina.
There's the deep water.
Now it can get us.
Hey, you see where it is still?
Oh yeah, it's inland. Can't get up.
There's a beach over here.
Oh, okay. Looking out for the shark. So far, no shark.
Yeah, they're not going to be this close to that. So they'll simply be further out. Now this is very confusing.
Let's go to that,
That
other
beach
one.
is all...
Oh, there's another beach this way. I could see it. It's over this way. I think we can just go like this. Yeah, we can't. We don't even really have to swim that much. If we just hug the wall. Yeah, it says that there should be one further this way. It's just gonna take a while to get back.
And whatever, we could fight through the night.
Yeah. It might just take us the whole night to investigate, actually.
Yeah, it could. You know, along these edges and such of the island, they should really have, like, spawns and such for, like, loot.
I mean, there might be.
Oh, there it is. Ah, why can't I get up? Why can't I get up?
I mean, it's a beach, and it's loot. Blue C4. Can't carry any more C4. Got wire.
Yeah, neither can I.
Wires. Batteries, C4. Tape. What does this guy have on him? Energy drinks? You got anything on here? No. There might be something further this way.
By the end of this, we're gonna go around the entire perimeter. And that's a helmet. But just a helmet. Well, So we think it's just like making a full loop around the island.
Now let's try and head in here.
Where?
No, head to that cave icon that's marked on my map.
What's that? Is it close?
It's a little bit far that way, and then there's another one near it.
Oh gosh, those ones. Okay.
Yeah. I think
When
this
did we
is
get
the
over
river
near
cave.
the mountain?
Oh dear.
My question is, when did we get near the mountain?
Probably when we circled around. I think it's like directly into the mountain, so we're gonna have to go around or try and head up.
Oh, there's a path here. So I guess we just follow
The
this.
path goes really far that way, and then it goes up. So we're gonna
Whatever.
be walking for a bit, but maybe we'll find like an encampment or something to loot. The sticks. Sorry, I just wanted the sticks.
Yeah, that's fair. No, I was about to say, at least you don't see any hanging corpses. It's over here. Hanging corpses. Except they're really old.
That might mean there's an encampment nearby. What's this? Horsetail.
Oh.
It's a plant.
Thought you were being like an actual, like, horse tail. I was like, what is...
Nah, that's just hair, my dude. Oh, there's a question mark icon over here. Interesting.
I could see the question mark.
Mhm.
Oh, we'd have to take up this path, too. So it's perfect.
Do you see the cave icon on your map over here?
Nope. Not
Oh.
at all.
Well, it's like right next to that lake with the 4 rivers protruding out of it. And then the other cave is the one that's right next to the little snowy spot on the mountain with the lake.
Oh, I see one cave icon.
There are 3 caves. I saw another. Yeah, there's 3. It's like a triangle. The Bermuda Triangle. Maybe there's
Let's get this
something in the
question
middle
mark
of the
first.
cave area. Yep. Let's go investigate that question mark last, because that might have something like story related.
I guess we just follow the river.
Nah, we can just walk right through it, and then you just gotta head straight this way to see the cave. It's just straight this way. Just don't get swept away by the river. Kelvin is making his way to us.
Of course, it's Kelvin.
Yep. Or Ford.
Wait,
He's like a
Yes,
Ford
thank you.
F-150.
wait, stop.
I hear some guys.
You guard me really quick?
Okay.
9mm will do. I mean, it won't kill their soul.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
It won't kill their soul. But it works. Nice.
Yeah.
We both have ammo.
Time
Yeah,
to
my
go
thing
in
was already
COD
loaded.
Modern Warfare
Wait.
style.
Shh.
They should have ammo for us. Oh, you're right. Crouch.
See any?
No?
I see one.
Yeah, chicory.
I see 2.
Let's just hope there's no big guys. Oh, he's coming over. Shoot him! Buddy, stay still. Stay still for me, why don't you? Hey, put your hands up. Oh, shit. He's mad.
I like the fact just...
I-
Oh, shit! He's resisting!
Who?
Guy.
Hi, buddy. Shit! Look out. There you go. What's in here? Bullets. We got bullets. And arrows. Oh shit.
Oh, select. Dude, man. Oh gosh.
We got gold mask.
Kill the local.
Reload. Reload. Why can't I reload? Wait, I
beat him
have
to death.
ammo though. Yeah.
Hey,
Oh, that's
Ethan, I beat
rifle
him to
ammo.
death.
Oh shit, that's not my 9mm. That's rifle ammo.
I mean, I beat him to death.
Oh, I'm thirsty.
Rope.
Got rope.
That guy's dead. Oh, there's one.
Okay. Can't carry any more of that. Cans.
Hey, there's another encampment.
Here, let's try and head for the cave though. It's right over there.
We got another guy coming.
Oh yeah. At least he's not a brute. We're fine. Oh, he can dodge. He dodges.
They can all dodge.
Here, use a heavy attack. That should kill him.
Watch out behind you.
You beat me. Thanks. I got stuff.
Pills.
Oh, Zach, there's a bag. I got a bag. 1 second. I'm gonna get his bag.
Oh, I see one.
Da 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 da.
Skin pouch. Okay, that's not bad.
I've got a lot of stuff. Here, I'm gonna make a torch.
That. Yeah.
Yeah, let's both make torches.
I already have a torch.
Okay. Well, now I have a
Hey, watch. Just letting you know, we have another encampment to destroy. Come on, Ethan.
that thing. 1 second. I'm trying to open my inventory, but it won't let me. Alright, let's go.
Just over
I
this
hope that
way,
they
there's a
have
path.
9mm ammo.
Oh wait. Hold on, I think I got something that frag him out.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, Kelvin's coming. He's nearly here.
Look.
He is a Ford Ford. He is a Ford F-150.
Quiet.
You want me to frag him too? I'm gonna get out my grenade too, just in case we don't get them all. This guy right there. Are they all dead? Now get him. Oh crap, he's
Beat
running
his
away. He's
ass.
gonna get reinforcements. Go, go, go. Quick, quick.
Well, we can. Oh god, I blew their asses to smithereens. Literally.
There's no ammo crates. Wires.
No pouches either. The guy's still here.
Yeah, and Ford should be here still. Oh, 1 second. Let me get an energy drink. Then a energy bar. And now I have
There's more in the
stamina,
trees,
but I have low
Ethan.
health. Oh, I'm gonna eat some meds.
Take one of the painkills. I'll take a leg.
Alright, my health is regenerating now. There was
I
a
have one other
floating
head.
head. There's just a floating head, my dude. Ooh, what's this? Oh, cereal. Hello, Ford. Is he here? He's nearly here.
Yeah, for good measure. Okay, they're dead. She came over to cry
They're not
about
dead.
that one.
They're still alive.
Ethan. Ethan.
Alright, now they're dead. Oh, yo, Ford! Ford's
Fucking
here.
Ford's here.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yo, what's up, man?
Hey, where's the
Follow
cave?
me. I'm gonna do the follow me command. Just to get him to follow
Okay, the
us.
fort. There's a cave this way. Where I'm facing.
Yeah, it's this way.
Right where the howl's coming from. Got it. Oh, I see one of them fuckers. They're in
Let's
the
go.
forest. Shh.
Yep. Spear thrower.
Oh shit, he has armor.
Get him going! Oh, come on.
Dead.
Just for good measure. Here, take one of those spears.
I did. Come on.
Okay. Yeah, just go this way.
Guys, for once I see a cave on my map. Wait. Hey, this river looks familiar, don't it?
Yeah, this is the one we came down.
That's
It's right
nice.
over this river. Oh, shit.
Shit.
Oh, they're running away. They're running away. Hey. Oh, shit. They're tree guys. Kill them. He's dead. Dude, don't waste your bullets on these guys. They're weak. No! Ford! Get stuck inside of a rock. There's more. There's a guy approaching.
Come on, let's just go to the cave. Go to the cave.
Get over here, bastard.
I said go to the cave.
Shit. Ow. Alright, now we go. Yeah, it's just this way. It's really close.
I threw his fucking corpse into the river. Let's just say they won't be seeing that body for a shit ton of time.
Yeah, they do not recognize the bodies in the water.
Ah, crazy woman. Wait, dude, this is where one of the crash sites is.
Yeah, there's a cave, like, right below this lake.
Ethan, we could get the stun baton. Also, look, right
What the
here
hell
would
is the
be where the
stun baton?
helicopter is. What do you think it is?
An illegal weapon.
Right
It
here.
says it's right here, yeah. Oh my god.
We stunned the natives.
Wait, well, I'm gonna see the damage on this thing. Not as much damage, but more defense.
Bro, I got a fucking solar panel.
Yo, follow me. Wait, you got a solar panel? From where?
Yeah, and also the cave's over here.
Yeah, it says so on the map if we zoom in. Alright, let's go. Oh, there's loot. Oh. Oh, yo. I got MREs.
Oh, hey, look at that. Cave. Alright, let's go. First cave.
Yeah, we're going caving, boys. Here, here, you keep your baton out, I'll keep my club out.
Oh gosh.
You keep your gun, I'll keep my baton. Yeah, you got your gun. Because it's a gun. Oh, 1 second. Getting stuff. What's in here? Come on.
Hold on.
Oh, you're getting like cloth?
Loot stuff.
Ah.
Also, I think we have to be careful.
Yeah, I know. I've got a stun baton, you got a gun. I think we're fine. Holy shit, that's a lot of stuff.
Ethan, wait. Get back here.
I'm looking down there. Don't see any guys. But yeah?
I'm making something.
What are you making?
I can show you here in a second. I just made a fucking bomb.
What do you mean? Show me. Wait, did you make like C4?
This.
Oh yeah, C4. Yeah, we probably don't need that right now. Yeah, we're not gonna need that for this. I have a stun baton.
Actually, I'm pretty sure this cave we actually might need it. Follow me, there's loot.
Okay.
I've been in this cave before.
Oh. Aw.
The Kron! I have a Kron!
You have what? May the power of Christ compel you! Oh, laptop. Got max meds. What's up here? Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ! Is this an actual weapon?
I believe you can use it to scare off people,
It's
just
in
like...
my weapons category, so...
Aw, damn it! Slug ammo! I don't have a shotgun!
Didn't you say that we need a shovel for that?
Yeah.
Okay, here, let's go see what's over here. It looks like it goes deeper over here.
Over this way. Ooh, dead people. Oh wait, there's paper. Paper we can collect. It just says this is what we're looking for. I mean, they found some.
Yeah, it's right here. What is this thing? It's like a door. Alright, what's over here? Yeah, it goes deeper over here. Bats. Hop up here. Now I'm gonna pop that pill real quick because I'm low.
Yeah, let me pop one too.
Yeah, we need to be careful. Yup, there's a dead guy over there.
Hear the noises.
The voices!
Those are like legitimately noises in game.
Oh. Oh, I hear something. There's something.
Oh, I can kill that. Ooh, wait.
Do it.
Fuck.
Do it. Quick, quick, quick. It's coming.
Hold on, let me get one out of my 3.
It's coming. Boom, boom. Can I,
Wait for me, wait for me.
you can go through here. Yeah. Only just clear out this flesh. Ew.
Take some of the limbs off the ground.
What do you mean take some of the limbs off? Why are there limbs?
Did you not see the amount of limbs that thing had?
Oh, I didn't see it. I didn't see it.
Yo, I told you I need a bomb for this.
Oh. I mean, you could have just used a grenade. I had a grenade.
Here's the thing for
There's a guy.
that
Get
thing.
ready, get ready. Yo, what's up? Tase. Take a tase. Take a tase. Take a tase. Take a tase, bitch. Tasing him. Why are you crouching? I killed him. Now I feel like a cop in 2024. Oh, I got a note. Don't care. MRE. Can't carry that. I got vodka.
Listen,
Run on. I can make a Molotov. Ow.
watch out.
Oh, what? What the hell is that? Kill it, Rowan. Are you alive? Hello?
Hold on,
dead?
hold on. I think for these, we need something powerful.
Oh, Molotov. I have ow. I don't have arson anymore.
Ethan.
I don't have arson. I'm down.
Fuck, respawn.
Damn it. Where am I?
Respawn in the cave.
Why am I in flesh? And where's my stuff? Here it is. Hey, my shit. Yay. Alright, now I'm gonna make my Molotov.
Yeah, let's prep for this. Let's see. I can make another Molotov.
Wait, I think I actually duped my Molotov by accident. I think I actually duped it because I still have the one vodka bottle I had before, and I have the Molotov.
Hey, you got any pistol ammo?
No. I have rifle and slug. But I do have a grenade.
Yeah,
wait,
same here.
Wait, get your cross, get your cross.
No, that's not gonna do anything.
I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it. It might do something.
This is.
True.
Come on.
I got two sticky bombs just now.
We got some bitches to kill. Oh yeah, it's those.
Yeah, I think we
sticky
just
Oh
killed
wait, hold on.
bombs.
Hold on, heal. Make sure to heal.
Oh yeah, I just realized my health. Let me just pop a med real quick.
Let's wait for a little bit so we can fully recharge our health.
That gun is aiming at me, isn't it?
Yeah, I just... Noises.
Voices! Alright, I think we're good.
Alright, if you say so. Come on. I wish I had a riot shield.
It's here. May the power of Christ compel you! Jesus! It's not working. Maybe arson will help. Where's the bullet card? Arson! Shit. Forgot to light it. Shit, there's two. There's two. They're burning. They're burning. They're weak. They're weak to fire. They're weak to fire. Speed up. Speed up. Stun. Oh, I'm dead. I'm down. I'm down. You alive?
Yep.
Okay. Can you revive me? I have sticky bombs.
Hold on.
I'm about to die.
Just respawn. Just respawn.
Okay.
Fuck, I forgot to light it. Devil me out.
I hate being rebirthed twice. Alright, let me get my bombs off. Alright, I got bombs.
Oh,
They both
card
down?
you little bitch ass!
Give me your flesh. Oh my god, it gave me its flesh.
I think we can use that for armor.
Oh, we can? Oh yeah, we can. Yeah. Creepy armor. What the hell? Wait, what happened to my bone armor? Did it like break or something?
No clue.
I love my slappy beat stick.
Okay, wait, those things couldn't see.
I kicked the
They
bucket.
could only hear.
Get it?
Listen! Listen! They couldn't see, but they could hear.
It's like the monsters from A Quiet Place, but with like 53 fingers.
Bombing.
Stick bomb. Oh shit! Oh! Runs away! Runs away! You killed him.
Carve him.
Yeah, I know, I know. Give me your armor. Well, if I'm hungry, I'm gonna eat real quick.
Well, that's solved.
Alright.
Wait, I'm thirsty.
Okay. Yeah, I'm a little thirsty too. I'm gonna pop an energy drink.
Also, I'm making a Molotov cocktail.
Okay, I don't have any more. I do have some boiled meat, so eat that if we run out of food. Let's see. Crafting speed.
Just gotta drop batteries.
I remember when we played it before and we got that one thing. You know, we found that printer. What are you? Is that a... Oh, are you demons? Are you demons? Oh. Alright, power of Christ compelled. No, you were not demons. You were just very weird. Beat their asses. Beat their asses. Beat their weird asses. Beat their very weird asses. Can we carve them? Yes, we can. Oh, more creepy armor.
Nice, they took a layer off me.
Oh. Oh yeah, I'm low.
It says I can make bone armor, because I don't have bone armor. Okay.
I got rotten meat. Let me drop that. Let me pop the pill again. Yeah, I got some creepy armor. Oh, that's rotten meat. What the hell is that? Babies! Kill the babies! Kill the babies! I don't like babies. I don't like them. Why do they scream? I'm gonna get demonetized. What the hell? Are they biting my ass?
They're dead.
Is there anything to loot here?
Yeah, stuff over here. Oh hey, another paper.
Flares. That's fire.
Wait, I just realized we can use flares to light up the cave ahead.
Oh yeah, we can. Whoops. Wait, how do I turn it on? Oh, that's how. Okay, nothing here. Nothing there? I have a lot of flares. Oh shit.
On to the next one.
Oh, I'm gonna get my stun baton out. That's like my second strongest weapon, but it stuns enemies, so it's really good. Probably crouch. I hear like a giant creature. something's growling.
Well, I mean, we have sticky bombs.
We do, we do.
Look at that. We look clear.
Just making sure. This might be the end of the cave.
Hey, pop a flare.
Oh yeah.
Pop a flare, toss it down there. I'm pretty sure this might be the cave where we find the shovel.
This is my last flare. Oh, there's a guy, there's a guy. We got a dude, we got a dude. He's not like a finger guy though. He's just like a, oh, it's a girl. Hey, did you run out of ammo?
My gun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Hey, can you start throwing flares? Cause I have none.
I got two.
I hear something. Shh. There's something. Oh, it's this thing. Get back here. I'll beat you. Take a tase, take a tase. Support! Take a tase, take a tase. I tased up to death.
I got one.
Stay down. Tase! Tase!
Over here.
Tase! 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 Tase!
I am becoming a barbarian.
Tase! Tase! Tase!
Wait, can we carve this?
Tase! Tase!
No, we can't.
Tase!
Stop it.
I like tasing them a lot.
How strong is that?
Really strong, because all you gotta do is hold down your left mouse, and it'll just spam your heavy attack.
How strong? Is it stronger than this?
No, it's about as strong as the axe.
Not bad.
I hear something. It might be a finger guy. Crouch. Yup, finger guy. We got finger guy. I see him up there. He's spitting his stuff everywhere. Here, get a grenade. Here, I'll get a grenade ready. I'm getting a grenade.
That's very ominous.
Here, be quiet and crouch. I'm getting a grenade from behind. There's two. I'll take out one, you take out the other. Here. Oh shit! He has eyes! He has eyes! Jeez! Oh shit! Why is he doing any damage? Tase. Why can't I tase him? My tasing abilities aren't working. He scooped all over me. He scooped on me. He just
Alright,
scooped
carve
all
both
over
of
me.
them. Where's the other?
Oh no, I blew him up.
He's right here.
Yeah, I blew him up. I blew the shit out of him.
I can't carve him.
Yeah, it's probably because I already carved him. Sorry. How much armor do I have? I have a lot of armor.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we're good. Let's continue. There's something up ahead. There's something up ahead. Wrong way, we're going back.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are. This is the way
No,
that
we aren't.
Wait. Yeah, you're right, you're right, you're right. I thought we were.
I know these caves.
Okay. Just beat that guy. Babies! Kill the babies! Kill the babies! Kill the children! This is my nightmare. This is an Indian's nightmare. You were very well adapted to this. Are you like Indian or something? Alright.
Love killing their children.
Damn, that's crazy.
Ooh, money. I just got $7 off a guy.
Dude, rope.
Rope.
I wish
Rope.
that money meant something here.
What the fuck's that noise?
I don't know. Crouch.
Hey, so, I believe there's a fork up here.
Okay. We check out one side and then we go see the other.
Sure.
Let's go check out this side. It's quicker. Where's that thing?
I think it's right here where it comes to a fork.
Yep. Which way?
Wait,
do we forge ahead or do we go down there?
Go forward. Let's go forward.
Okay. You were probably fine. Okay, well, crouch. Right here, actually. Go look ahead. Oh, it's a dead end over here. Oh, there's a box right here. Ammo? 9mm.
9mm. I got 4 rounds in this box.
I got 3. Wait, did you get 4 clips or 4 bullets?
Bullets. So when it shows like a number next to 9mm, that's showing how many bullets are in it.
Okay, I have 3.
So I have 4.
I have 3.
Hey Ethan, take a look behind here. Zip line.
Hey, can I go through?
Maybe that's where this other area leads.
And we have guns, so we don't really have to worry about anything.
I mean, depends on the thing.
Yeah, I can
Bugs.
say that. Yeah, I'm gonna make some bone armor now.
Yeah, I'm gonna make some more because my damn stuff keeps on breaking.
I don't have enough.
I have enough.
There's no more bones around here. Okay, I'm gonna see what's ahead real quick. I'm just gonna look a little bit ahead. There's another fort. I think one of them leads to that little zipline area.
I got 2 things of bone armor on me.
Okay, here, this way. Get back.
Nope, we just came.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, we did.
Oh yeah, we did.
Dumbass.
Well, I don't know these caves as well as you do.
Ugh, spit gunk. Whatever.
Babies!
Babies.
Don't even use your gun for this, yeah. Oh my god,
Kill
he's
the
flying
children.
everywhere. I'm not gonna waste my bullets on this one. Oh, filter. Guy. Babies. There's a guy and babies. Hi there, bud. Come on. Show me your face. Shoot him in the face. Oh shit.
Hold on.
I'm out.
Hold on. I got something to say to him.
I'm gonna switch to my bone clip since tasing.
Hey, back up. That will be out.
Oh shit, he's running at us. Get
We can
here.
attract him with noise. We can attract him with noise.
My mic accidentally just came out.
Oh, bro hit me hard.
He just gooped everywhere. He's dead though. Here, come on. We can carve him at the same time.
More
It's
armor.
like the Seagulls. One second, let me, first I'm gonna switch back to my baton, because it only doesn't work on the, on these guys. And probably
Yeah.
bigger guys.
Wait, there's a fork.
Alright, wait, is there? Really? Oh yeah, there is. I think that area just leads back. Where'd
Hey,
you go?
I'll be right. Can you guys me really quick? I'll be right back.
Babies. Where's these babies? Beat the babies. Beat the babies. Beat the babies. Beat the babies. Are you gonna go back? No, right now?
Hey, so apparently I gotta go.
Aw.
I'll go first. Kill the babies.
Just leave off here.
Okay, wait. Hold on.
Wait, why do you gotta go? Oh, why do you gotta go?
I said dishes.
Oh, okay. That's gonna take forever. Well, okay then.
Wait,
What the hell was that?
don't-
What? Oh god, big guy, big guy! Well, distract him so I can use my sticky bombs. Or here, get through here, get through here. You'll never get us in here.
Bench wad.
Take you on time. Where are you? Where'd he go? There you are. Sticky bomb. Get ready. Oh, it's right on his dick. I landed the bomb right on his dick. This poor man.
Hey, Ethan.
Here, come carve it
Go
real
on,
quick.
save.
Come carve it real quick. It's right here.
Go. Alright, Ethan. Come on,
Yeah.
let's go save.
We got a camp? Oh, we do. Well, I'm gonna drink some water before we leave.
Alright. Well. Sure you
We'll
saved.
see y'all next time.
Did you save?
Now I did. Alright. We'll see
See
you
ya.
on the next episode. Goodbye.
Woo!